Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salsa with tomatoes. First, choose the freshest ingredients possible. Ripe tomatoes are key, along with crisp onions, vibrant cilantro, and spicy jalapenos. Ensure your cutting board and knives are ready. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful homemade salsa that everyone will enjoy. Let's get started on this culinary journey. Now let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Carefully dice your tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos into small, consistent pieces. Remember, uniform cuts ensure every bite is perfectly balanced. Mince your garlic and chop the cilantro finely. If you prefer a milder salsa, remove the seeds from your jalapenos. Otherwise, leave some in for an extra kick. This step is crucial for texture and flavor.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, after all that cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. Gently combine the diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, minced garlic, and chopped cilantro in a large bowl. Now, add the essential seasonings: fresh lime juice for brightness, salt to enhance all the flavors, and a small pinch of cumin for depth. Stir everything carefully to ensure an even distribution of all those wonderful tastes. Once your salsa is mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is vital, as it allows all the incredible flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. The wait is worth it. After chilling, your homemade tomato salsa is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with your favorite tortilla chips or as a vibrant topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.